Hello guys. Just showing you my locks here. Decided to take down some of my lock accessories or lock decor, specifically some of my string and some of my loc sprinkles. Here I'm just popping off some of that string and unraveling, and it's so easy. I mean, this string has been in since December. It's April at this point, so yeah, it's been in there through washes and rinses and steamings and conditioning and hot oil treatments. Yeah, it hasn't lost color or anything like that. Kind of left a braid pattern on my lock, but no major damage at all. Okay, so here you see I'm getting ready to take out the loc sprinkles. I simply use a cuticle cutter and then a bowl to be able to catch the sprinkles or the beads so that I can use it at a later point. So what I'm simply doing is pulling on one of the beads to kind of lift up the threading or the invisible threading a little bit. And then once I've lifted it up to a high point, not too close to the hair, that's when I clip. And honestly, the beads kind of just begin to fall. Sometimes I'll have to go back in and kind of maneuver the beads around and go back and clip a little bit more of the threading, but for the most part they just kind of fall and land into the bowl. I'm having to pull some of them down a little bit because of course the thread gets really long and then they don't all trickle down, but if I cut the thread they'll all begin to fall. So there you have it. You can see that the lock is still in place. There's no damage to the hair or lock. Okay, I have one more as an example. This one gave me a little bit more of a tougher time because it wasn't necessarily at the side or the front of my hair. It was like at the back middle. But I eventually got it and was able to get it all out, but it just took a while. Now I'm tired, I'm ready to go. Thank you guys for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next one.